Let's begin. Take a moment to settle your attention. Today, we will focus only on what truly matters: clear thinking, steady effort, and disciplined learning. That is how preparation becomes sustainable. In UPSC preparation, what matters most is clarity. What matters most is clarity, not just reading more. So, in this session, we will focus on seeing the bigger picture, that is, step by step. If anything feels new, that's completely fine. Clarity develops gradually. Hello, aspirants. Welcome back to the Metis IAS NCERT Foundation Program. NCERT builds your basics, and together we will connect these basics with UPSC thinking. Today, let's understand your country. Let's understand our country, India, through a clear and logical perspective. Clear understanding today reduces confusion later. Let's look at this step by step. India lies in the northern hemisphere, and more precisely in the northeastern hemisphere, between 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. This is the location. We have to observe step by step. There is no need to rush through the numbers. Just to focus on the idea. Let's use two anchors to simplify this. One is Tropic of Cancer. This is horizontal reference. And second one is standard meridian 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. This is vertical reference. This meridian passes near Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, grounding the idea in real place. Grounding the idea in real place. The meridian passes which place near Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Notice how a simple line helps organize time across the country. Because India stretches east to west, widely east to west. There is a natural time difference, yet we follow one standard time. Take a moment, let this settle. UPSC often expect this kind of clarity from students. So we will moving ahead. Tropic visualization, that is Tropic of Cancer. Imagine this line moving across the map like this, showing in the slide, touching 8 states from Gujarat, to in the west to Mizoram in the east. Just observe the pattern. No need to memorize now. Now let's think about India's position globally. Located between Asia, Europe, and Africa, India naturally became a center of exchange. Also notice India is peninsula surrounded by water on three sides. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. This is the peninsula. Geography shapes history and economy. We will keep noticing these connections. We will discuss about neighbors, India's neighbors. Those are land neighbors and maritime neighbors also there. Let's visualize India is a center point. India is a center point like this. Northwest, Pakistan and Afghanistan is located, and north, China, Nepal, Bhutan is located. As far as east side is concerned, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Bangladesh and Myanmar. Across seas, Sri Lanka and Maldives. These Maldives. It may help to think of neighbors clockwise. This is like clockwise. It simplifies orientation. Bangladesh forms our longest land border. A useful orientation cue this is. Take a moment, picture the map clearly. This is the Indian map with having land neighbors as well as maritime neighbors. Please be careful while going through this map. Maldives and Sri Lanka. These are the India's maritime neighbors. Sri Lanka is southern part of India and Maldives is located in southwest part of India. These are the India's maritime neighbors. India India is remarkably diverse, which is showing like in the slide. India having mountains, plains, deserts, plateau, coasts, islands. Let's simply appreciate this diversity. We will explore each in detail later. Foundations first. Small clarity each day builds a strong preparation. Like Himalayas we are having. These are the mountains. Northern plains, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, those are eastern and western islands like Lakshadweep Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let's connect. Let's connect these ideas together. Location influences climate, climate influences vegetation, vegetation influences economy. UPSC often thinks in these relationships, and we will keep building this perspective together. Understanding systems reduce effort later. That is why we have to thinking like collaborative thinking. We have to improve this. Questions frequently relate to Tropic of Cancer, standard meridian, neighbors, and map orientation. Focus on understanding. Focus on understanding. Memorization will follow naturally. Respect your learning time. Focus on essential. Let's briefly revisit India's location, our anchors, peninsular in nature, strategic position, neighbors. These ideas are simple but very strong base. At Metis, preparation is about understanding deeply, not just doing more. We focuses and clarity over noise, systems over shortcuts, and consistency over intensity. When foundations are strong, confidence follows naturally. In this chapter, we understanding on a country like India, our country's location and our country's anchors like Tropic of Cancer and Meridian, and what is the peninsular nature of the country and the strategic position of the country, and what makes our neighbors are land neighbors as well as maritime neighbors. We have gone through this total chapter with this carefully. So today's focus was clarity, and that's what builds confidence over time. Keep revisiting the basics to stabilize the preparation. Consistency matters more than intensity. Stay steady, stay calm, stay disciplined, and keep building your preparation the Metis way. Thank you.